मैंने मोमबत्ती बुझाई। I blew out the candle. I blew out the candle. मुझे यह नौकरी संयोग से मिली। I got this job by chance. I got this job by chance. ईश्वर ने हमें बचाया। God saved us. God saved us. मुझसे उसने पूछा। He asked me. He asked me. उसने मुझसे पूछा। He asked me. He asked me. पूछा उसने मुझसे। She asked me. She asked me. वह दौड़ में पहले आए। He came first in the race. He came first in the race. मैं जाना तो चाहता हूँ पर जा नहीं सकता। I want to go out but I can't. I want to go out but I can't. हमें सफलता का पूरा भरोसा है। We were sure of success. We were sure of success. तुम ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this? How can you do this? सुनकर बहुत दुख हुआ। Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. चलिए मैं आपकी मदद कर दूं। Let me help you. Let me help you. थोड़ा खिसकिए। Kindly move a bit. Kindly move a bit. ऐसा गलती से हुआ। It happened by mistake. It happened by mistake. ऐसा तुक्के से हुआ। It happened by chance. It happened by chance. क्या मैं बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit? May I sit? मेरी ओर से माफी मांग लीजिए। Convey my apologies. Convey my apologies. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा। I'll try my level best. I'll try my level best. अब मैं कुछ बोलूं। May I say something now? May I say something now? कृपया धीरे बोलिए। Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? दिनेश क्या करता है? What does Dinesh do? What does Dinesh do? क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? इसका क्या मतलब है? What do you mean? What do you mean? वो रविवार को आएगा। He will come on Sunday. He will come on Sunday. घबराओ मत। Don't worry. Don't worry. तुम्हें अच्छा व्यवहार करना चाहिए। You must behave well. You must behave well. मैं तुमसे जरूर मिलूंगा। I'll surely meet you. I'll surely meet you. मैं काम में लगा हुआ था। I was into some work. I was into some work. तुम कहाँ जाना चाहते हो? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? मैं आपका इंतज़ार करूँगा। I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. मुझे तुमसे कुछ कहना है। I want to say something to you. I want to say something to you. अब मुझे चलना चाहिए। I must leave now. I must leave now. उसकी प्रतिभा काबिले तारीफ है। His talent is praiseworthy. His talent is praiseworthy. ये मेरी मजबूरी ही तो है। It's nothing but my helplessness. It's nothing but my helplessness. कितने दिन लगेंगे? How long will it take? How long will it take? ये किताब किसकी है? Whose is this book? Whose is this book? तुम्हारी आवाज़ बहुत अच्छी है। Your voice is pretty nice. Your voice is pretty nice. दरवाजे पे कौन खड़ा है? Who is at the door? Who is at the door? मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो। Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. मैं तुम पर भरोसा कैसे कर सकता हूँ? How can I trust you? How can I trust you? आप इतने परेशान क्यों हो? Why are you so worried? Why are you so worried? मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ। I'm asking you something. I'm asking you something. क्या आप मेरी बात सुन रहे हैं? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? क्या आप मुझे पहचानते हैं? Do you know me? Do you know me? मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाऊं? What do I bring for you? What do I bring for you? आज राहुल का जन्मदिन है। It's Rahul's birthday today. It's Rahul's birthday today. अपने आप पर भरोसा रखो। Be confident. Be confident. उसे तुम्हारी मदद की ज़रूरत है। He needs your help. He needs your help. मैं उन्हें अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ। I know him very well. I know him very well. श्याम रोहित का पड़ोसी है। श्याम is Rohit's neighbor. श्याम is Rohit's neighbor. राम थोड़ा लेट हो गया। राम got a little late. राम got a little late. मैं जानता हूँ। I know. I know. तुम ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you doing so? Why are you doing so? बताओ मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? Tell me what should I do? Tell me what should I do? वो दिल्ली से अभी अभी आया है। He has just come from Delhi. He has just come from Delhi. तुम्हें तंबाकू से बचना चाहिए। You must refrain from tobacco. You must refrain from tobacco. हमें सफलता का पूरा भरोसा है। We are sure of success. We are sure of success. तुम ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this? How can you do this? तुम ऐसा सोच भी कैसे सकते हो? How can you even think so? How can you even think so? मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा ख्याल रखूंगा. I will always take care of you. I will always take care of you. वह भूल गया. He forgot. He forgot. कक्षा खत्म हुई. The class finished. The class finished. वह गुस्से से चिल्लाया. He shouted angrily. He shouted angrily. उसे गुस्सा आया. He got angry. He got angry.